Hello, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we are going to create something truly magical. We are making chicken biryani. This dish fills homes with the most wonderful aromas and brings families together. Every spoonful tells a story of fragrant rice, tender chicken, and a beautiful blend of spices. It may seem complicated at first, but with this recipe, you'll find it's a joy to make. The secret isn't complex technique, it's understanding the soul of the dish. Before we start, let's gather all the wonderful ingredients we will need. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. For the chicken marinade, 500 grams of chicken, 1 cup of thick yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt to taste. You must use good quality long-grain basmati rice. Take 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash it gently until water runs clear. For cooking the rice, bay leaves, green cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon stick, and caraway seeds. In a large bowl, add yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt to the chicken pieces. Using your hands, mix everything together very well. Make sure every single piece is coated generously. Cover and let marinate for at least 1 hour. In a large pot, bring water to a rolling boil. Add bay leaves, cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon, salt, then carefully add the soaked rice. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes. The rice should be soft outside but still have a slight bite. Immediately drain and set aside. Fry the sliced onions patiently until deep golden brown and crispy. This can take 15 to 20 minutes. Don't burn them. In the same pan, sauté chopped onions, add tomatoes, then the marinated chicken. Cook until tender and a thick, fragrant gravy forms. In a heavy-bottomed pot, greased with ghee, start with a thin layer of rice, then add all the chicken gravy, spreading it evenly. Sprinkle generous amounts of chopped mint, coriander, and half the crispy fried onions. This layer gives the biryani its signature aroma. Gently layer the remaining rice, then drizzle saffron-infused milk for beautiful color and royal fragrance. Add ghee and remaining fried onions. Seal the pot and cook on dum for 20 to 25 minutes on low heat. Let it rest for 10 minutes before opening. When you open the lid, you'll be greeted by fluffy, tri-colored rice and tender chicken, the perfect chicken biryani. Serve hot with cooling raita. Enjoy this labor of love with your family, a meal that will be remembered long after the last bite.